Hey everybody, it's Treetop. We're back here at the reloading bench with the Ultimate Chair Press, and this time I have an accessory video. So I picked up this light. It's a UFO XT reloading press light from KMS². This is the first time I've used KMS. I usually rig up my own thing, but it came in about $25, maybe a little bit more, and about $5 shipping from their website. And I thought, you know what, that's so good, it's not even worth messing with it. So I'm going to put this on and show it to you and see what we think about it. All right, before we put it on, let's talk about the kit real quick. I thought this was pretty cool. So it comes with a, your power adapter, AC/DC power adapter, standard stuff there. Nice plug-ins on it. Then you have the female plug-in that goes to your switch. This switch is pretty cool. It's a touch switch. It's not a click, kind of a click switch. So when you touch it, it gets brighter. Or actually, it comes on when you touch it. And then if you hold it, it'll get brighter to its brightest. And then if you put your finger on it again, it'll dim back down again. So it works like a dimmer switch at the same time. And then it's got a plug on the other side, which is cool because if you don't want to use it, you can hardwire directly. You can hardwire the light assembly directly to the power supply. Like my power supply is switched, so I can just turn it on there if I want to. Really well thought out. They went to the extra trouble to give you a switch, put all nice connectors on it. I think these are 5522 connectors, but anyway, really nicely done. It's got a couple of little hole brackets that hold the wire here, and they give you this little piece of what do you call this stuff? Anyway, Brillo pad that you can scratch it up a little bit so you get good adhesion. I'm going to use acetone to clean it. I've already tested it on this plastic. Acetone is not great for some plastics. It'll melt them, but it's fine on this plastic. I already tested it. They call out 99% alcohol. I don't think I have any of that on hand, so I'm just going to use acetone to degrease. The point is, you can't have any grease. I want bare plastic to sticky strip when I'm done here, with a little bit of scuffing in between. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing apart. And we have to pull the turret housing off to get to the plastic part, just for convenience, and then also to put these little wire holders on. I want to catch that little index ball in there so I don't have to chase that around. Just going to throw it in here, the spring, and now we're free. So this thing's going to fit right up against this. I can show you that. It's going to fit as close up to the standard right here as you can. There's a little bit of a plastic relief or a plastic ledge here that seems to fit nice on. So that's where it's going to go, looking just like that. And this little tag end is going to hang down. Then the wire is going to get clipped to this post. I'm going to put these little wire holders on first, and they fit really snug. So that's kind of a nice deal there. I thought maybe they'd be loose, but they're nice and tight, and they stay where you put them. So I'm going to go ahead and slip those down because I'll forget otherwise. Now I'll take it all back apart. All right, so put a little bit of acetone on a rag here, and I'm going to get in here nice and tight. I'm going to clean really tight up to that ridge there, wiping that down. I want no oil on there. You see that's nice and shiny. A little Brillo pad. I'm just going to scuff this area out here. I'll go ahead and hit it with the acetone one more time, just in that area, just to get that dust off. If I can set that up there for my convenience. All right, so now they say to dry fit this, so I already showed you that. I'm going to try to get it as close to this part of the standard over here that I can, like so. Let's go ahead and remove that. It comes off nice and easy. I'm going to start on this end because I want to get up close. Okay. I'm just going to push this down. All right. Stuck on there nice. And again, it's, you know, it's not a full halo because our RAM sits off at about 5 o'clock here. So they just covered this part right here with the light over the RAM. Obviously they had to stop because this post is in the way. Let's pull this up here, snap these little guys in. Those went in nice and easy. Happy to say. I'm going to twist this around so it's clear out of the way. All right, let me hook everything up and I'll bring you back. Okay, so we're all installed now. You can see the little switch is lit up here. Got a little blue light on it. That's to show you where it's at, so when it's off. Now watch when I turn it on here. Just touch it, comes on. That's full bright right there. And then you touch and hold and it dims pretty much all the way to off, I think. No, it's still on a little bit. Then you touch and hold again and it brightens up. Touch quick, turns it off. Pretty simple stuff. Now I've got a little bit of routing to do down there. The switch comes right about where the bottom of the handle is. See if I can cock you down there and show you that. So it's just kind of hanging there. So I'm going to have to route something there to get that out of the way. So you see it's got these little holder things that I put on earlier, and they stay where you put them, so you can kind of move those around and orient the wire a little bit that way. Pretty neat. Let me put some powder in a case and let you look down in there so you can see what I'm seeing. Okay, so hopefully you can see there, one of the things that got me interested in really getting this cover, you see that shadow there? This big head that's on this press really does block a lot of light. So let's turn this baby on, take a look. Yeah, so I have good view of powder in there from a normal reloading position. So really nice and bright, super happy with that. Definitely this press is a good candidate for adding lighting. So guys, that's the end of the video here. I just wanted to show this little reloading accessory, this light accessory for this press, specifically made for this press, which I thought was pretty cool. That's KMS².com. And their little tagline there is, see what you've been missing. I've been missing seeing the powder. Appreciate all the likes and subscribes, helping the channel grow. Also, Rumble. I'm on Rumble. I've got more material on Rumble that you can't post over here on YouTube. So if you don't mind, I'd love to have you come and subscribe to me over there and click, make a comment, say hi. Well, I think free speech is going to be in short supply, so I am really happy to support any companies that are committed to our free speech. So take care, guys. God bless. We'll see you next time.